Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. We have another tutorial today, so let's get right into it. I'm probably gonna speed through the complexion part, but if you do want to see it in detail, I posted it on my previous video, so you can watch it there. Alright, now on to the eyeshadow. I am just gonna bake, quote unquote. It's mostly to catch the eyeshadow that falls onto my cheeks, and then I can like just brush it away easily. So I'm just taking translucent powder and putting that under my eyes. This is also really good for if you're like me and you like to do your complexion first before your eyeshadow. We're going in with the Kylie Cosmetics Sipping Pretty palette. My palette fell. Well, actually, my cat likes to knock my stuff down, so that's what happened there. So I'm just gonna set down a base first. I'm gonna be using my flat brush and put that all over my lower lid, which is right here. And it's okay if it's messy. We just want to give a rough outline of where the product is going. And once you have it down, like a good amount of color, I like to go in with my finger so that there's more pigment and just put it in the same spot. Okay, so now I kind of look like a clown, but it's fine. We're gonna take a fluffy shadow brush or like a fluffy shading blending brush, and then take a transition shade. I'm gonna go in with this tan color right here. and put it in the crease to blend it out. Alright, so while you were blending, you lost a little bit of the blue pigment, so just go back in with your finger and reapply on top. Now, we're just gonna brush away this fake. Okay, and then we're gonna take a short shader brush and take that blue shade on the lash line. And then I'm gonna do my mascara off camera and I'll be back to finish up this eyeshadow. Alright, I dried my hair, I put mascara on. Let's finish up this eyeshadow look with silicone from the Face Press Powder palette. I'm gonna go into silicone and go in the inner corners of my eyes. There we go, and then under my eyebrow bone. Okay, we're going to set under the eyes first with Dragon Heart Transformation Face Powder. We're gonna go into both colors. And then set under the cheeks. Alright, last but not least, the lips. We're gonna go with the same thing that we did in my last video. Just because the eyes are so bold, we're gonna go for a more neutral, natural, nude type lip. So I'm going in with Dolce K lip liner. And then Candy K on top of that. Okay, and I've been feeling the glossy lips lately, so I'm gonna go on top of that with this again, just like last time. Alright, and that's it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I hope you guys like this look. The key to any smoky eye is to blend it out with a transition shade. So in this case, we use tan, almost skin color in the crease to blend it out on top, which is your transition shade, and it makes it look better or blend it out. That goes for any smoky eye, that you just need to blend it out with a transition shade. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more tutorials like this, if you liked this video, if you like me, if you like this channel, just, you know, spreading some positivity. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the little bell thing so that you get notified when I post, if you want to be notified when I post. And yeah, that's it. I hope y'all are staying happy and healthy. I will see you guys in my next video.